A lot of people believe that blurry vision, especially after 60, is just something you have to live with, that it's part of aging, that your eyes are simply wearing out. But if your vision has been getting worse lately, especially at night, this might not be aging at all, and what's happening while you sleep could actually be making it worse. So you accept it. You hold menus farther away. You squint at your phone. Driving at night becomes uncomfortable, even a little frightening. But what if I told you it's not always just aging? And more importantly, what if your eyes are actually trying to repair themselves every single night, but something is quietly getting in the way? Because here's the truth most people are never told. A lot of vision problems don't begin during the day. They begin while you sleep. At night, your eyes go into repair mode. Your retina, that delicate layer at the back of your eye, works to restore damaged cells. But as we age, that process becomes weaker. Blood flow slows down. Oxidative stress builds up. And the tiny cells responsible for clear vision begin to struggle, slowly, silently. Until one day, you wake up and realize your vision just isn't as sharp anymore. Now, before we go further, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. How old are you? And where are you watching from today? I read these personally, and it's incredible to see this community from all over the world. Now here's the good news. And this is the part that surprises most people. There are certain everyday fruits, simple, natural foods, that contain nutrients your eyes are literally craving at night. These nutrients don't just support your eyes. They can make a noticeable difference in how clearly you see over time. They help improve blood flow to the retina, protect delicate eye cells from damage, and support your eye's natural repair process while you sleep. And yes, some of them have even been linked to slowing down changes associated with cataracts. Now, I want to be very clear about something. This is not a miracle cure, and it's not a replacement for your doctor. But what you eat, especially in the evening, can make a real difference in how your eyes function over time. My name is Dr. Alex Reynolds, and for over 40 years, I've helped older adults protect their vision, maintain their independence, and improve their quality of life using practical, evidence-informed habits that actually work. And today, I'm going to walk you through 7 powerful fruits that can support your eye health naturally. And more importantly, exactly how to use them the right way. Because most people get this part wrong. We're going to count them down from number 7. And I highly recommend you stay until the end. Because the number 1 fruit on this list targets one of the key processes linked to cloudy vision. Something most people have never even heard of. And it might already be sitting in your kitchen. Fruit number 7, kiwi. Now this is one people often overlook. It's small, a little fuzzy, and easy to ignore at the grocery store. But when it comes to your eyes, kiwi is surprisingly powerful. Here's why. As we get older, the retina becomes more vulnerable to something called oxidative stress. Think of it like wear and tear at the cellular level. Over time, this damage affects how clearly you see. That's when you start noticing blurry vision in the morning, sensitivity to light, difficulty seeing clearly at night. Now, kiwi contains 2 key nutrients your eyes depend on, lutein and zeaxanthin. These act like natural protective filters inside your eyes. They help block harmful light and protect the delicate cells that allow you to see clearly. But that's not all. Kiwi also supports better sleep, and that matters more than most people realize. Because deep sleep is when your eyes do their best repair work. So when you improve your sleep, you're also supporting your vision. How to use it. Eat 2 golden kiwis about 1 hour before bed. Golden kiwis are easier on the stomach and contain slightly higher levels of key nutrients. Pro tip: don't scrape too close to the skin. That thin layer just under the skin contains concentrated antioxidants your eyes benefit from. Number 6, watermelon. Now this one might surprise you. Most people think of watermelon as just a refreshing fruit, but for your eyes, it does something deeper. As we age, one of the biggest issues affecting vision is reduced circulation. Less blood flow means less oxygen reaching your eyes. And when that happens, you may notice blurry vision when you wake up, dry or irritated eyes, slower visual focus. Watermelon is over 90% water, so yes, it hydrates. But more importantly, it contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to protecting eye cells from damage. It also supports healthy blood flow, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your eyes while you sleep. How to use it. Have 1 to 2 cups of watermelon about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Pro tip: try not to add salt. Too much sodium can increase pressure inside the eye, which is something you want to avoid as you age. Number 5. Blueberries. Now, this is one you've probably heard about before, but here's the part most people don't know. It's not just that you eat blueberries, it's how you eat them. Blueberries are packed with compounds that help protect the tiny cells in your retina. These are the cells responsible for focus, clarity, adjusting to light. Over time, these cells can become damaged. That's when vision starts to decline, even if you're wearing glasses. Blueberries help support those cells by fighting oxidative stress, and some research suggests they may even help improve visual sharpness over time. But here's where most people go wrong. They eat them with yogurt or milk, and that reduces how much your body actually absorbs. How to use it. Eat a small handful of blueberries, around 45 minutes before bed. Pro tip: avoid combining them with dairy, and if possible, use frozen blueberries that have been slightly thawed. This helps release more of the beneficial compounds. Number 4. Black currants. Now, this one is less common, but very powerful. Black currants are rich in compounds called anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give them that deep purple color, and inside your body, they help improve blood flow to the eyes. This is especially important for something many older adults struggle with: seeing clearly in low light. If you've ever noticed halos around headlights, difficulty driving at night, or slow adjustment between light and dark, this is often linked to reduced circulation and stress in the retina. Black currants help support those systems. How to use it. If fresh ones are hard to find, you can use a small amount of extract in the evening. Pro tip: pair it with a few nuts or healthy fats. This helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. Number 3. Dragon fruit. Now, this is one most people don't expect. It looks exotic, almost decorative. But for your eyes, especially as you get older, it can be incredibly helpful. Here's the issue it addresses. Sometimes your eyes don't get enough oxygen at night. Even if you sleep for 7 or 8 hours, you may still wake up with heavy, tired eyes, blurry side vision, or colors that don't look as sharp as they used to. This often comes down to circulation. Dragon fruit, especially the deep red variety, contains compounds that support healthy blood vessels. In simple terms, it helps your body deliver more oxygen to your eyes. And that matters, because oxygen is critical for repair. How to use it. Eat half of a red-fleshed dragon fruit about an hour before bed. Pro tip: chew the tiny black seeds. They contain small amounts of healthy fats and minerals that support nerve health in the eyes. Most people swallow them whole and miss out on that benefit. Number 2. Goji berries. Now, this one has been used for centuries, and today, modern research is starting to confirm why. Goji berries are especially powerful for protecting the center of your vision. That part of your eye is called the macula. It's what allows you to read clearly, recognize faces, and see fine details. As we age, this area can gradually weaken. That's when people begin to notice difficulty reading small text, trouble recognizing faces from a distance, or fading colors. Goji berries are rich in a nutrient called zeaxanthin. This nutrient concentrates right in the center of your eye, exactly where you need protection the most. How to use it. Take about 2 tablespoons of dried goji berries. Soak them in warm water for about 10 minutes. Then eat them around 30 minutes before bed. Pro tip: Pair them with a small piece of dark chocolate. It might sound unusual, but compounds in cocoa can help your body absorb more of the nutrients, and it makes the whole experience more enjoyable. Number 1. Papaya. Now we've reached number 1, and this one is surprisingly simple. In fact, many people already have it at home, but very few realize how powerful it can be for the eyes, especially when it comes to cloudy vision and early cataract changes. Here's what's happening inside the eye. Over time, certain proteins in the lens begin to change. They lose their clarity and start to clump together. That's what creates that cloudy, foggy vision many people describe. Papaya contains a natural enzyme that helps break down damaged proteins in the body. It also provides a powerful combination of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, all essential for maintaining healthy eye tissue. Now, again, this is not a cure, but supporting your body with the right nutrients can help slow down these processes over time. How to use it? Eat 1 cup of fresh, ripe papaya about 1 hour before bed. Pro tip: let it sit at room temperature before eating, and squeeze a little fresh lime juice on top. This helps your body absorb more nutrients, and it tastes better too. Now, before you start doing this, there are 5 important rules you need to follow, because you could eat every fruit on this list and still not get the full benefit if you miss these. Rule number 1. Don't mix these fruits with dairy. If you eat them with milk or yogurt, your body absorbs fewer of the key nutrients. So give it space. Wait at least 60 to 90 minutes between dairy and fruit. Rule number 2. Add a little healthy fat. Many of the nutrients your eyes need are fat-soluble. That means your body needs a little fat to absorb them properly. A few nuts or a slice of avocado is enough. Rule number 3. Be gentle when washing your fruit. You don't need to scrub aggressively. A light rinse is enough, because some of the most beneficial compounds are close to the skin. Rule number 4. Avoid eating them ice cold. Very cold foods can slightly reduce how well certain natural enzymes work. Let your fruit sit out for a bit before eating. Rule number 5. Timing matters. This might be the most important one. Eat these fruits about 60 minutes before bed. That way, your body absorbs the nutrients right when your eyes enter their repair phase during sleep. So let's take a step back for a moment. Blurry vision, dry eyes, struggling to see clearly at night. These are not always just normal aging. Often, they're signs your eyes are under stress and not getting the support they need. But the good news is, small changes can make a difference. Simple habits, done consistently, can help support your vision over time. Imagine waking up and your eyes feel more comfortable. Reading becomes easier. Driving at night feels less stressful. Seeing the faces of your loved ones just a little clearer. That's what this is really about. Not just eyesight, but your confidence, your independence, your quality of life. Now I'd love to hear from you. If your vision became clearer starting tonight, what is the first thing you would want to see clearly again? Write it in the comments. I read them, and your answers truly mean a lot. If you found this helpful, take a second to like the video and share it with someone over 60 who might need this. And don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you a simple daily habit that can help reduce eye strain and improve focus, especially after 60. This is Dr. Alex Reynolds. Take care of your eyes. They're one of the most precious things you have. And I'll see you in the next video.